Hi, I'm Holly. One of my favorite product lines is paper, and I am thrilled to introduce to you a very exciting new line, Two-Tone Cardstock. This is in addition to our current cardstock that you know and love. Both of these papers serve inspiring purposes in the crafting world. So let's dive into what makes two-tone cardstock a must. The first thing you'll notice is that one side is lighter than the other. We are able to achieve that because it's printed. Note that just like with any other printed paper, the oil on your hands can transfer and there will be some color variation. But this printing process is what makes it two-tone. The darker side is the full version of its color, and the other side is a lighter version. It's like you're getting 2 for 1, basically doubling the amount of colors you get to play with. This allows for fun highlights when folding over corners or inside your 3D projects. In scrapbooking, it gives photographs a bigger pop, a bigger focus when they are placed against a paler background. If you haven't already noticed, the core of this paper is white. That tiny detail opens up a whole new world of techniques for your toolbox. First, you've got tearing. Tear the two-tone cardstock toward yourself and it will leave a nice white torn edge. Tear away from yourself and the edge stays the same. Or you can sand it using a nail file or fine grit sandpaper. Sanding different directions will give you different looks. Another fun technique is to emboss it and then sand it. Check it out. Sand the raised bit, it turns white while everything else stays its original color. Sand the debossed side and now you have a nice design in your color while everything else goes white. Now the next technique is one I did a ton as a kid and I didn't even know I was being fancy. It's called leathering. Basically, you crumple it up into a ball, then flatten it out. You'll get some creases where the white shows through, creating an almost leather effect. Then you can sand it to make it even more dramatic. A limited selection of this thrilling new cardstock will be available for everyone in our September scrapbooking brochure release. But here's the exciting thing. We are working towards creating two-tone cardstock for every Stampin' Up! Color. In future, it will be offered as both individual colors and color selections. Talk to your demonstrator or go to stampinup.com to get your two-tone cardstock beginning September 4th.